Now, what are chord progressions? Chord progressions are sequences of chords within a key that follow up one another. Now, for every key, there are 7 chords that you can play. So if I play the C major scale right here on my piano, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, and I play a major triad for each note. So each of these chords can be used in the key of C major. So the sequence goes, the first chord is always major, the second chord is minor, the third chord is also minor, E minor, the fourth chord is F major, the fifth chord is G major, the sixth chord is A minor, and the seventh chord is always diminished. And this is always the same regardless of which key you're in. As long as you're in a major key, this sequence is always the same. So now, knowing that, you know that whenever you're in the key of, let's say, C major, you know you can play the C major chord, the D minor chord, the E minor chord, the F major chord, the G major chord, the A minor chord, and the B diminished chord. So those are the chords you have to your availability to use to make a chord progression in the key of C. And this is what we call diatonic chords, meaning those are the chords that belong to that key. On guitar, it works the exact same way. If I play the C major scale, I can build a chord on each of those notes. So again, the first chord is C major, which is always major. Second chord is D minor. The third chord is E minor. The fourth chord is F major. The fifth chord is G major. The sixth chord is A minor. The seventh chord is B diminished. That's what we call the diatonic chords within a key.